Hey guys, Nick Hutchinson with MarineMax Clearwater here today. Look at this beauty I've got. This is a 350 SLX Outboard with triple 350s and joystick control. This thing has all the options you could possibly need and everything you're looking for. We've even got a really cool flip out boarding ladder for at the beach. Now let's hop up inside and show you what the inside of this thing looks like. And from bow to stern, everything on the inside of this boat is truly impressive. Everything is top-notch, top quality, all the amenities you could need. You've got refrigerators, sinks, subwoofer, lighting everywhere under the seats. All the cup holders are lit. You got dual captains at the helm, dual Marine displays, dual captains to port, lots of seating in the back, lots of LED lighting. Even looking up top, we've got a full convertible sunroof with LED lighting around it. You've got a power sunshade that extends back over the swim platform. And some of my favorite things here are right at the helm. With the dual Marine displays, all of your lights are controlled touchscreen, and you can have that running alongside a full chart plotter, depth sounder, whatever the day brings for you. Full joystick control as well with autopilot, skyhook. You've got storage here in the helm. Additional dual large sun loungers up front with more LED lighting, more speakers. This is a dual speaker zone boat as well, so you can control the volume front to rear. And then your head, let me open this up for you. Very nice and really big helm for this style and size of boat. You've got an actual freshwater sink and shower, all self-draining, and a full vacuum flush head. If you guys have any questions, give me a call on this boat. Come take a look at it. It's sitting inside our air-conditioned showroom.